fine. This would just be video 4 of them all. Sorry, the crap keeps stopping. This will be part 4.
Maybe 5. I don't know.
No,
But oh well.
I don't know. I'll freaking do it when I see it.
Can't you combine them all?
No, I don't think. I don't know. I never tried it. But
Now you know what? We should run back
Why?
very quickly.
Why?
'Cause I feel like I just heard somebody.
I feel like... Hold on. Wait. Stop. 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 We're not running back yet.
Oh my god!
Stay here, stay here.
Scared me. Don't run away like that.
We're going. We're not going to get freaking caught. Wait, is that a fuel line? I feel like this is part of a fuel line. See, look. Is that a part of a fuel line?
Yeah.
Tell me in the comment section below because I'm
I think
pretty
it
sure
is.
it is. I like cars and stuff like that.
Obviously.
If you own a 60s Impala or a 57 Bel Air, please freaking tell me because I love those things.
Holy crap! Somebody could run somebody over with that and like,
Kill them.
yeah.
Those prongs
Oops! I
aren't
just
the
ruined it.
Prongs aren't the strongest though.
Yeah.
See how much it is. It doesn't say.
Up.
If somebody freaking sees us like and thinks we're stealing, please understand that we're not. We're just checking stuff out. That's what my friend started up. My friend came up here for
What,
me and my
that?
friend,
The white thing?
the steamroller. Me and my friend
Oh,
came up
that.
here and he hopped on it, and then he turned the key and he said, "Wait, why does it make this weird noise when I turn the key?" And it went like, I just told you like a little bit ago, but yeah, he started the thing up and I said, "Dude, what are you doing? Starting crap up." So let's go this way. Wow, there's more stuff to check out up here. Taking a ton of freaking videos for just the trash bag. Oh, look at that. Look what happened. Holy crap.
Oh my god! It freaking melted.
It looks like somebody drove this through a burning building.
The freaking.
That's just the paper.
Somebody's outside of our front porch, I think.
Why? Look at this though. Look, I'm just freaking shred right through the tire. See, complete junk. Crap is burnt. I have no clue what somebody did with this, but whatever they did,
Yeah, this thing is ruined.
the back window's busted out. Completely rusty on the inside. There's no padding at all.
That's what it looks like inside.
Look, hold on. Point the camera towards. Look
That's
at this.
just part of the tire.
That's the tire.
Wait, he didn't even see it. That stuff is part of the tire. The black stuff.
Look at the gear shifter.
Oh my god.
That thing is stupid. It's not too finished. See what's up there.
I'm hungry.
Please don't think we're just a couple mean kids going around vandalizing stuff. We're just checking stuff out.
Yeah, we
Besides,
are.
they did this a lot. My grandpa sold this property to the McGrews. I want to throw this back here. I don't need it. I'm going to throw it. Ooh, look, there's cattail. Check this out. Look, it's getting cold out, and look at the cattail. It's getting all fuzzy and moldy.
Right there.
Want to hear the only really mean thing I actually did in this place? I took a cattail when they still look like turds like they do over there, and I pulled everything off and then stuck it in a porta potty. Don't tell me that.
Ow.
I've got a little souvenir. Looks like a rubber cup.
I feel like running.
Me too.
You wanna run?
I don't feel like it.
Did it? What?
It's just like, I I feel like running.
Somebody's
Chill.
here.
Go, 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 go. There's somebody here. Oh, we're
Are you okay?
Yeah, good.
We got you. Get in the back.
Get the video.